Okay, this is for John with a Mark 6 Golf. So what's happening is this capacitor right here is going, this one here with the red dot is going up to 100 degrees. So I'm just going to put the power onto it. So basically, just touching it with the light. And then if I go to the next capacitor, so I've removed them, replaced them. It was also this component here was also going up to about 60 degrees. And now it's not. So I've taken the one off this board, which was there, and I put it on here. I've removed that cap, tested it, seems to be all right. But look, so the maximum read was 99. That one's going up 50 something degrees. And this is the other one. That was going really hot. Now it's not. So I'm just trying to get the data. Oh, there you go. It's back up to 100 degrees now. Try that one. That component. That's still 40. Go to this one here. I don't want it to pop either. I'll just turn the power off. So this is the Mark 6 cluster. This is the repair that somebody has done, and it goes through the other side of the board. Obviously the car starts and all that, well, did with the keys. So I've got another cluster. The problem that we've got is that that's got 140,000 Ks on it. This has got 168,000 Ks on it. And it's also got to be matched. Everything's got to be synced as well, which is not an easy thing to do, VIN match everything. So I've just been using the scope to have a look around, trying to fix this thing. So if I can just get a read on it, should be able to pull the data out of this and put on another cluster. That's what I'm aiming for. All right.